In fact, that's the news that we are getting right now. The slew of issues on which the opposition is going to try and corner the Modi government. The situation in Kashmir for one, the escalation of Indo-Pak tensions. Remember, just minutes ago, Pakistan has said, the ISPR, its official communication agency of Pakistan, has said that 7 of their soldiers have been killed in what they call unprovoked firing by India at the LOC. Also, something that will find mention is the comment by Manohar Parrikar made at a Delhi event about India's nuclear doctrine. Najib Ahmad, the missing JNU student, is also likely to find a mention. Supriya Bhardwaj joining us live on that story. But which one is going to be the principal issue? Because there's only so much time that the opposition is going to find to talk about their concerns. Which is going to be the one rallying issue for the entire opposition, Supriya?
Well, Padmaja, there are 4 issues which the opposition has so far zeroed on to put up a united front. One, that being demonetization. Second, being that of the surgical strikes and the escalation of tension between India and Pakistan on LOC as well as IB. The third being the curfew in Kashmir, and fourth being the loan waiver for farmers in Uttar Pradesh as well as in Punjab and other parts of the country. Now, the farmers issue has got a bigger push because the demonetization ever has happened. The opposition parties are crying that the biggest impact will be on the farmers. So they will be clubbing these to one, making it one issue. And second will be the OROP, surgical strikes, escalation of tension between India and Pakistan, and also the situation in Jammu and Kashmir. What we are learning is this, Padmaja, that the Congress party is trying to reach out to all other opposition parties once again, saying that let's get united and put up a united fight against the NDA government. As far as that march is concerned, still it's a catch-22 situation, because on one hand the left party, especially CPIM, has declared that they will not be going with TMC, but some of the leaders are saying that if the Congress takes a lead, then they might consider backing this entire move. There, in minutes from now, there will be a meeting in the parliament called by leader of opposition Ghulam Nabi Azad, who's a Congress leader, and we are hearing that the leaders from other opposition parties, Samajwadi Party, JDU, TMC and other left parties will be meeting there and discussing as to what should be the next step. Interestingly, so far JDU and BJD have come out, Padmaja, as a surprise element, especially the JDU.
All right, keeping very close watch on what happens in Parliament will be Supriya and our entire Parliament team. For now, thank you very much.